Warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from NEET 2026. The speed of light in vacuum is taken as unity if the light takes 6 minutes 40 seconds to reach the earth from the sun, and the earth in new unit is. So student, here distance is asked. Okay, so this is the sun. Here sunlight is coming with the speed of unity. C is taken as 1 meter per second. Okay, and it reached to the earth in time t equal to 6 minute 40 second. Therefore time equal to 6 minute 40 second. We change it in second, so 6 into 60 plus 440, that is in second. So this is 360 plus 40 in second, that is 400 second. Now speed c is 1 meter per second. Okay, therefore distance equal to velocity into time. Velocity into time, 1 into 400, that is 400 is the correct answer of this question, which is found in option 4. So therefore option 4 is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.